have studied the carbon dioxide. Today I am going to teach you the carbon monoxide. It is the carbon monoxide is a neutral gas. It is neither acidic nor basic. That's why it will not give any reaction towards the litmus. Combustibility means on burning or reaction with oxygen, it will change into carbon dioxide. It is a combustible gas. Reduction action. It is a good reducing agent, means it will gain the oxygen from the metallic oxide and convert it into the metals. As lead oxide, PbO, when react with carbon monoxide, it will change into carbon dioxide plus lead metal. Reaction with chlorine and sulfur. With chlorine, it reacts and form the CO plus Cl2, COCl2, a combination product known as phosgene gas. This gas is known as phosgene gas. Carbonyl chloride, phosgene gas, and with sulfur it forms the carbonyl sulfide, COS. So it forms the combination reaction with chlorine and sulfur. Phosgene gas is used to prepare the dye in dye industry and in wars. Carbon monoxide also used as fuel like water gas, carbon monoxide and hydrogen mixture, producer gas, carbon monoxide and nitrogen mixture, coal gas, carbon monoxide, hydrogen and methane. This combination is known as coal gas. It acts as a reducing agent, as here you have seen, reduces the metals, so it is used in the extraction of metals. It is used to produce synthetic petrol and methyl alcohol. It is poisonous gas as it forms the carboxyhemoglobin, which doesn't allow the oxygen to react with hemoglobin. Now after this, the remedies for carbon monoxide poisoning is given. Person suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning should immediately be brought outdoor, because in this carbon monoxide is odorless gas and colorless gas, so we can't detect this gas. Artificial respiration with carbogen should be given to the person suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning to restore the normal breathing. Now after this, children, I am going to give you the question answers as short answer type question. First is, carbon dioxide prepared from metal carbonate. It is given in page number 149. Metal carbonate on heating gives the carbon dioxide, or metal carbonate by heating with HCl or H2SO4, dilute HCl or H2SO4, it will form the chloride, means salt of that metal, and water and carbon dioxide gas. You can see page number 149. By the action of dilute acid on metallic carbonate or bicarbonate, by the heating metal carbonate and bicarbonate, you have to write here 4 reactions, 1 reaction for each. Now the next question, how is carbon dioxide gas collected during laboratory preparation. It is collected by upward displacement of water. By upward displacement of air. Sorry, water as told, collected by upward displacement of air. Next, by carbon dioxide not collected over water. It is given in page number 150 as it is highly soluble in water. As it is highly soluble, carbon dioxide is highly soluble in water. That's why we will not collect it by downward collected over water. Next question, number 4. Sulfuric acid is not used in laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. Why? It is given in page number 150. As when the sulfuric acid react with calcium salt, it will form the, or marble chips, it will form the insoluble layer of calcium sulfate, which is insoluble in water. It is given in note last point. Now the next question, number 5. What is fuel? See the page number 157. Page number 157, science vocabulary is given a substance which on burning in air produce heat or any other form of energy is known as fuel. Now last question, number 6, list 2 uses of carbon dioxide. You can carbon monoxide, sorry. You can see the page number 158 and write any 2 use of carbon monoxide. After this, long answer type questions. First long question, children, is given. Explain the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide with a diagram and balanced chemical equation. So it is given in page number 150. You have to draw the diagram, write down the balanced equation, and from there you have to write it, and diagram should be well labeled first. So this is next question. List the physical property of carbon dioxide. It is given in page number 151. Physical properties of carbon dioxide, 6 are given. Carbon dioxide is a colorless, odorless gas with faint acidic taste. It is non-poisonous gas, but its increased concentration in the air can cause suffocation. It is heavier than air. It is fairly soluble in air. Carbon dioxide turns blue litmus red as it is acidic in nature. Under high pressure, it can be liquefied into colorless liquid, which further on cooling up to -78 degrees centigrade change into the snow white forms, which known as dry ice, which is sublime in nature. After that, explain the poisonous nature of carbon monoxide. It is given in page number 159. Poisonous nature of carbon monoxide, you have to do it in short. And you have to write down it. Next question is, state remedies for carbon monoxide poisoning. It is also given downside, page number remedies for carbon monoxide poisoning. 3 remedies are given. You have to write down that. Now children, after that what happens is given. Here you have to write down the chemical equation and product whatever is formed. So you can see from there, from the book, and write down. First is excess of carbon dioxide is passed through sodium carbonate. It forms soluble sodium bicarbonate. At equation you write down. Carbon dioxide react with sodium oxide. Na2O plus CO2, change it to Na2CO3. So sodium carbonate will form. Third is carbon monoxide react with ferric oxide. You can see in the reduction process, page number 158, reduction action, ferric oxide react with carbon monoxide and forms the iron and carbon dioxide. Fourth, carbon monoxide react with chlorine. It will form the phosgene gas, COCl2. Carbon monoxide react with sulfur. It will form carbonyl sulfide. The reaction is given in page number 158, both phosgene and carbonyl sulfide. Next class is challenge question. It is difficult to identify the presence of carbon monoxide gas in a closed room with burning coal. Why? What may this lead to? Because carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas, so it is difficult to detect the gas. And because of this, sometimes first person lead to suffocation and sometimes eventually death also occurs. So this is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and prepare well for your exam.